How to get the legal support you need after a workplace accident. Work injury lawyer. Did you know? 1. States in the U.S. have different workers' compensation laws. While some states have regulations that are more favorable to employers, others offer more extensive benefits and protections for injured workers. 2. A lot of occupational accidents go unreported. Because they worry about punishment from their company, some employees may be reluctant to report an injury. 3. Most workplace accidents can be avoided. Employers are required by law to maintain a secure workplace and to safeguard the health and safety of their workers. 4. In some circumstances, injured employees may be able to seek reimbursement from third parties in addition to the employer's workers' compensation insurance, such as manufacturers of defective equipment. 5. The health, career, and financial well-being of an individual can all be negatively impacted by workplace injuries. 5. A work injury attorney can assist injured employees in obtaining the funding and assistance they need to recuperate and move on. Accidents at work can have major repercussions for injured employees and their families. A work injury attorney can assist you in obtaining the support and justice you require to recuperate and move on. Comment on what you think about this. Why are work injury lawyers important? A work injury attorney can assist injured employees in obtaining the funding and assistance they need to recuperate and move on. Work injury attorneys are essential in holding businesses responsible for maintaining a secure workplace and guarding the health and safety of their workers. Many wounded workers might not get justice and help they need without work injury attorneys. We will discuss the following 4 important points in this video. 1. What exactly are work injury attorneys and what do they perform? 2. Why do you need a work injury attorney after an accident at work? 3. How do you discover a decent lawyer for work injuries? 4. Advice for dealing with a work injury attorney to obtain the support and compensation you need. Now, let's talk about the role of a work injury lawyer. What is a work injury lawyer? A personal injury lawyer helps people who have suffered employment-related injuries. They help them understand their legal rights and choices. They can develop a compelling legal case. This can involve haggling with an employer or so their insurance provider, or, if required, bringing a lawsuit. In general, a work injury lawyer's main responsibility is to assist wounded employees in obtaining the justice and support they require to recover from their wounds and move on with their lives. Let's talk about how a work injury attorney can assist affected employees in obtaining the support and compensation they need. A work injury lawyer's job is to assist affected employees in obtaining the support and compensation they need. This can entail negotiating a settlement with an employer or their insurance provider, or, if required, bringing a lawsuit. Workers' compensation benefits are intended to compensate medical costs and lost wages arising from a workplace injury. In general, a work injury attorney represents the rights and interests of injured employees and works to ensure that they receive the support and compensation they require to heal from their wounds and move on with their lives. Next, let's talk about the many difficulties and complexity that hurt employees could experience following a workplace accident. Why do you require a work injury attorney? After a workplace accident, injured employees may encounter a range of difficulties. 4 difficulties may include, for example, 1. Medical care. Injured workers may need substantial medical care to recover from their injuries. It may be necessary to take time from work for this therapy, which can be expensive and time-consuming. 2. Lost wages. Injured workers are often unable to return to work due to their injuries. Financial hardship may result for individuals and their families as a result, particularly if they are forced to accept a lower-paying job or are unable to reapply for full-time employment. 3. Legal concerns. Injured workers may need to traverse difficult legal procedures to obtain support and compensation. Dealing with third-party liability claims, workers' compensation legislation, and other legal matters may be involved in this. 4. Emotional trauma. Due to their injuries and the difficulties they encounter, injured workers may undergo emotional trauma. Anxiety, depression, and other mental health conditions may fall under this category. After a workplace accident, injured employees may experience a variety of difficulties that can make it difficult for them to recuperate and go on with their life. They can overcome these obstacles and obtain the assistance they require with the aid of a work injury attorney. We're halfway through our video. Do click on our like and subscribe buttons for more good information. Let's describe how a work injury attorney can assist injured individuals in navigating the legal system and defending their rights. Injured workers can seek justice and navigate the legal system with the assistance of a work injury attorney in several ways, including 1. Legal knowledge. A work injury lawyer can help injured workers understand their legal rights and the best way to pursue them. 2. Compiling evidence. Work injury attorneys can assist injured individuals in compiling and presenting evidence to substantiate their legal claims, such as medical records, witness statements, and proof of lost wages. 3. Negotiating with employers and insurance providers. A work injury lawyer is someone who works to ensure that injured workers get the help and compensation they need. They can represent them in court or engage in settlement or mediation negotiations with their employers, insurers, and workers' insurance providers. 4. Filing a lawsuit. To help injured workers get the money and support they require, work injury attorneys may, in some circumstances, file a lawsuit on their behalf. This can entail taking the matter to court and providing the judge or jury with the proof. In general, a work injury attorney can assist hurt employees in navigating the legal system and fighting for their rights to receive the support and compensation they are entitled to following a workplace accident. Comment on what you think about this. Let's talk about the significance of hiring a knowledgeable and competent work injury attorney. How do you locate a reputable work injury attorney? If you were hurt at work, it's crucial to hire a knowledgeable and competent work injury attorney. 3 causes include: 1. Expertise. An experienced lawyer will be able to advise you on the best course of action for obtaining support and compensation. An experienced lawyer has a thorough awareness of the rules and laws that are relevant to accidents and injuries that happen on the job. They will be equipped with skills and expertise necessary to effectively advocate on your behalf in court. 2. Resources. An injury lawyer is someone who has the means and connections to investigate your claim, compile proof, and bargain with employers and insurers. If necessary, they would also have access to witnesses who are experts in medicine and other fields. 3. Results. They should have a proven track record of success in securing you the support and compensation you are entitled to through this process. Here are 5 pointers for investigating and contrasting various work injury attorneys. 1. Seek for a lawyer with experience handling work injury cases. Work injury lawsuits are not often handled by personal injury attorneys. Finding a lawyer with a proven track record of success in assisting injured workers in obtaining the support and compensation they rightfully deserve is crucial. 2. Verify their credentials. Verify that the attorney you are thinking about is admitted to practice law in your state and has the training and experience required to handle your case. 3. Take reputation into account. Find a lawyer with a solid reputation in the legal profession and with their clients. To learn more about their reputation, you can examine internet reviews or request references. 4. Take into account their fees. Most work injury attorneys are contingency based, which means they only get paid if they successfully resolve your case. However, it's critical to comprehend how they determine their rates and how much you'll have to pay. 5. Meet with them face to face. It is a good idea to meet with a lawyer face to face to discuss your case and get a sense of their temperament and working philosophy. This will make it easier for you to decide whether you trust them to stand up for your rights and whether you feel at ease dealing with them. Overall, it's critical to conduct thorough research and contrast several work injury attorneys to choose the one most qualified to handle your case and secure the help and recompense you require. Do you or know of someone who can benefit from this? Tell us in the comments section. Conclusion. Let's recap the 4 main points covered in the video. 1. What exactly are work injury attorneys, and what do they perform? 2. Why is a work injury attorney necessary after a workplace accident? 3. How can a reputable work injury attorney be located? 4. Advice for working with a work injury attorney and obtaining the support and compensation you need. After a workplace injury, don't let your employer or insurance provider take advantage of you. We looked at the role of work injury lawyers and how they assist injured workers in obtaining support and compensation. Also, we offered advice for locating a competent work injury lawyer to help you navigate the legal system. Be sure to contact a work injury attorney if you or someone you know has suffered an occupational harm. And be sure to click on our like and subscribe buttons. Comment on what you'd like us to feature next in our channel. Check out our playlists for more useful information like this. And remember to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.